Why Notion for tech professionals?
Notion offers a flexible workspace to keep everything organized, from notes and specs to to-do lists and project boards. For tech professionals, it combines documentation, collaboration, and project tracking, reducing tool overload. Whether you're a developer or designer, Notion helps you centralize resources, making your workflow more efficient and productive.
Streamlined project management.
Manage tasks, sprints, and feature roadmaps with customizable Kanban boards, tables, and calendars in Notion. Assign tasks, set due dates, and monitor deadlines, all within a single view. This level of organization makes collaborative project management seamless, allowing teams to quickly adapt and stay on track throughout the development lifecycle.
Centralized Documentation Hub.
Create wikis, technical documentation, and onboarding guides to share knowledge with your team. Notion's rich text editor supports code blocks and embeds. By keeping reference materials, policies, and code snippets in one accessible place, tech teams reduce information silos and ensure everyone has the context they need to succeed.
Daily workflow and productivity.
Organize your daily tasks, meeting notes, and to-do lists, all linked to active projects. Use Notion's templates to automate recurring workflows, set reminders, and track progress over time. This central dashboard gives you a clear view of priorities and reduces the mental clutter of switching between different tools.
Best practices in getting started.
Begin with simple pages, then layer complexity as needs grow. Use database templates for repeatable tasks, and leverage integrations for syncing with other tools like GitHub or Slack. Regularly review and update your Notion workspace as your projects evolve, ensuring it remains a powerful asset for your tech career.